How you doing, everyone? Mike from South Florida Fine Jewelry and Time. Taking a look at this Parnis massive 50 millimeter watch. It is an industrial style modern watch. Again, this is a massive watch. Again, like in my previous video speaking about the pilot watches. Again, this is a 50 millimeter watch across the case. But again, on square watches, they just have a much bigger presence on the wrist than the traditional round watches. Has a 2-layer sandwich dial. As you can see, it does have the chronograph markings on the dial, the sub dials. Let's get in there a little closer. This is a working chronograph. To start the chronograph, you push the bottom pusher and it'll start and stop the chronograph. To reset, just push the top pusher after you stop the stopwatch function. As you can see, it resets there. Again, massive presence on the wrist. This watch is pretty heavy. It's very heavy, actually. So you get a real nice weight and feel on your wrist. It's about 185 grams in total. As you can see the side of the case, it's got a very thick case, solid case back with the Parnis engraving. Modern, genuine leather strap. The dial is luminescent. The hands are, however, not. As you can see, it has the holes that go right through the case. Let me just put this on my. We'll zoom a little bit out here, and we'll put this on my wrist here. I have about an 8-inch plus wrist, so you can kind of get a little perspective on the watch. Has a PVD. This particular one has a PVD tang buckle as well. So, and again, just a real big, cool presence on the wrist with this watch. Again, with the 8-inch wrist, this is about as big as a watch as I can wear without the lugs actually coming over my wrist there. So, again, big watch. Actually, relatively comfortable for this size of a watch. Mineral crystal on the front. The nice thing about this style of watch, as you can see from the bezel, is it comes up above the, so you can zoom in here, comes up above the crystal. There we go, we got a good shot there. So the crystals on some watches, you can see, the crystal hangs out and it tends to get beat up a little bit, cracked or scratched. So now with this watch, has a 24 millimeter lug spacing on the strap. For those of you who like to change up the straps a little bit. Again, just a really cool watch, like with the Miyota Japanese high quality quartz movement. If you have any questions, feel free to give us an email. Thanks and good luck.